Dear friends, welcome to our next class. In the first class we have discussed about the sets, and in continue class today we will discuss the types of sets. Sets can be classified into many types, some of which are finite set, infinite set, subset, universal, proper, that are every set, singleton set, etc. Types of set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that can be many more. Now we will discuss one by one. Finite set. Listen. A set which contains a definite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, a set bracket star x n s x n and 70 is greater, x is greater 50 bracket close, 70 is greater, x is greater 50 bracket close. And next is that is finite, and next is infinite set. Infinite set is a set which contains infinite number of elements that contains finite and that contains infinite number of elements. And the example is same, and the difference is that is greater than 50, 70, and in that can be up to infinite, no doubt. And that is same, and x is greater than 10 bracket close, x is greater than 10, and then finally this will be same here. And third is subset. A set x is a subset of set y, and that is written as x is a subset of y if every element of x is an element of set y. Let's understand this with an example. That, as I told you, that x is a subset of set y if every element of x is an element of set y. For example, x is a subset in which elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is a subset if it contains the elements of X set. It means if 1, 2, y is equal to 1, 3, this subset can be of X. 1 is an element of X, 2 is also, 1 is also, 3 is also, it is right. If this contains 1, 5, this is not a subset. Next is proper subset. This was an important example. Next is proper subset. The term proper subset can be defined as subset of but not equal to. A set X is a proper subset of set Y if every element of X is an element of set Y. Let's see an example. That both are same, proper subset and that is subset seems to be like as a same. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and Y is also a proper subset 1, 2, 3. It means Y is the proper subset of X set. Next is universal set. This is a collection of all elements in a particular context or application. All the sets in that context or application are essential subset of this universal set. Universal sets are represented as universal. We may define this as the set of all animals on earth. In this case, set of all mammals is a subset of universal set. Of all fishes is a subset of universal set. Set of all insects is a subset of universal set. Mammals, fishes, insects, that are universal set as defined clearly. So if you like our today class, that is the second day of our unit first set, and we have completed sets. Next we will learn our next class, and if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video, comment this video for any doubts, and share with among your friends. Thank you very much.